Hi, my name is Michelle Thomason and I'm one of our KPBSD Effective Instruction Coaches. This video is a tutorial to provide an overview of Canvas as well as instructional coaching in KPBSD. Let's get to it. What is Canvas? Canvas is one of the platforms that allows students to access content remotely. Each individual site will be landing on one of three platforms, Canvas being one of them, as well as Google Classroom or Seesaw. Although every teacher in the district will need to build one of these platforms for remote learning, Canvas is the learning management system that directly integrates with PowerSchool. Know that our IT department will create a shell for each of the courses of which you are a teacher of record. Elementary teachers will have a language arts, a math, a social studies, like that. Secondary teachers will have a course for first period, second period, third period, and so on. Again, Canvas integrates with PowerSchool, so your students are pre-populated to each of your courses. If you are an itinerant employee, if you're a SPED, if you're a counselor, you are not a teacher of record, so you won't have courses automatically created for you, but you still have access to Canvas. If you want to access your ELA, math, or social studies resources, they will be located within your Canvas course associated with the content area. Know that you must have your district E-number, your employee number, and password in order to access Canvas. There is a document with the directions on how to activate your E-number and password attached to the email with the agenda to this training. Okay, so I want to show you how to log in. We're going to look at the global tabs, course tabs, personalizing your dashboard, as well as two specific courses, one language arts, one math. Okay, so I am pulling up the district website. There are a couple entry points into Canvas, the first one being right up here in the upper right hand corner. That's the easiest one. There's also an entry point from the employee tab. So when you click into Canvas, it's going to drop, you're going to need to first log in. Now when you log in, you're going to need your E-number. I'm going to type in E and my 5-digit employee number. And I'm going to sign in. When you sign in, it's going to drop you into your dashboard. Your dashboard houses all those courses of which you favorited, all those courses of which you are a teacher of record or a participant. Here on the left-hand side are your global tabs. Now, your dashboard can get bogged down with all these courses. If you click into the Courses tab, here are those courses that are sitting on the dashboard, and you click into All Courses, you're going to get a big old long list of all the courses that you have been a teacher of record or a participant in. The ones at the top are the active courses. There's also past enrollments, and there's also future enrollments down there as well. You have the ability to favorite those courses that you want to sit on your dashboard by clicking in and out of these stars. So I'm going to unstar this book talk, and then I'm going to star applications, and you'll notice that they've been flip-flopped on my dashboard, and now applications is there and that book talk is no longer there. I really do recommend that you have a look at your profile and you personalize it so that you just have those courses that you're going to get in and out of on a regular basis. Okay, so let's have a look at this math course. I want to bring your attention to these two specific courses. You'll notice here that when you click into that course, the content, the resources that are available to you are already preloaded. Here on the left-hand side are the course tabs. Again, the global tabs allow you to control the platform itself, and these course tabs allow you to control the specific courses, and you can add these different kinds of content. So I am going to go back to the dashboard, and now let's go have a look at that language arts course. You're going to notice that it has a different look to it, but it still has all these different resources and information for you to access. All right, so know that Your students will enter into Canvas just like you did with their district e-number. They don't have an e-number. They have a district student number and their password. So all the things that I've shown you here in this course, you'll want to show to students. Now, I am going to shift gears and I want to talk a little bit about instructional coaching. There are 3 instructional coaches offering support to teachers around the district. New to the profession teachers, those teachers that are in their first or second year of their career, are matched with one of our district coaches. Myself, I am one of the district coaches. My name, again, is Michelle Thomason, and I work specifically with the Homer area schools. Nikki Stein is a coach. She works with the Nikiski and Sedaltna area schools. And then Analia Karen is another one of our coaches. And she works with the Seward area and most of our secondary schools. As a matter of fact, there is a just-in-time training. It's a training specifically designed to those teachers that are in their very first year of teaching. And that is happening on Monday, August 10th. Again, it's offered to all of our new to the profession teachers in their first year of teaching. If you fall into this category, you should have gotten an invitation to the training. If not, feel free to contact me or even reach out on the Padlet so that you can participate. Know that one of us will be in contact with you throughout the year. Okay, so I know there is so much information being thrown at you today. There's a lot. Hopefully you can bookmark in your mind the names Michelle Thomason, Nikki Stein, and Analia Karen. We look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you for your participation in this short training.